1. What's your name? My name is Jenny. 2. Where do you come from? I come from China. 3. Where do you live? I live in Parramatta. 4. What's your address? My address is 54 Pine Street, Annandale. 5. What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 9723 4444. 6. How old are you? I'm 28 years old. 7. What's your nationality? I'm Indonesian. 8. Are you married? No, I'm not. I'm single. 9. Have you got any children? Yes, I have. 10. What's your occupation? I'm a doctor. Hui studies English every day, and her teacher is Bill Johnson. He is a good teacher. Hui's classroom is small. It is on the 2nd floor. She sits at the front of the room. She likes learning English. Min comes from Vietnam, and he lives in an apartment in Dulwich Hill. He's married with a baby daughter. He works in a factory, and his wife looks after the baby. On the weekend, he goes on a picnic with his family. If they don't go on a picnic, they visit his sister in Wollongong.